Guys, welcome back to Create with Chidex. My name is Chidema, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made cakes that look like avocado pears. Now, without wasting so much of your time, let's get started. To start this cake off, I'll make a tray for the avocado cakes. So I'm going to mold this tray using an empty fruit tray. Firstly, I'll apply some corn flour inside the tray to prevent my modeling chocolate from sticking to it. Next, I'll roll out some brown modeling chocolate, drape it over the tray, then I'll cut off the excess. After cutting off the excess, I'll pop the tray into the fridge until I'm ready to use it. Now, starting with a small piece of cake and a template that I drew and cut out, I'll start carving out my avocado cakes. I'll be carving out 2 pieces of cake in the shape of avocado pears. After carving out my cakes, I'll cover each of them in a thin layer of buttercream.
Blacking out, threads fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel for things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how?
Next, I'll cover each of these cakes with green modeling chocolate. Then trim away the excess modeling chocolate. I'll need to texturize my cakes to give them the rough texture of an avocado skin. So I'm using a mold that I made from gelatin to transfer on this texture to the first cake. Next, I'll cover the second cake with green modeling chocolate. Then I'll also create the texture for this one using my gelatin mold and a piece of crumpled up foil paper. So if you haven't got a mold for creating the texture with, you can use just the foil paper. Next, I'll use my fondant tool to create a small hole at the stem area. Now it's time to paint. I'll paint my cakes with a mixture of purple gel color and brown gel color. I'll mix these colors up with a little vodka and then dab it onto my cakes. From this real avocado, you can see that the stem area is brownish, so I'll do the same for my cake by attaching a small piece of brown modeling chocolate to the hole that I created earlier, and then I'll use my fondant tool to blend it in. I would also complete the stem area for the second cake as well. Finally, I'll place my avocado cakes inside the modeling chocolate tray, and there you go. Our avocado pear cakes are done. And now I'm going to cut the cakes. I've now come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.